Thank you. Let's go to church. Happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome to another vlog episode of Hey Quita. Quita here. Hi. I am on my way to church. Running late because y'all know that's what I do. Stopped and got my did my ceremonious pit stop. Y'all see that? I've been paying attention to, because you know I'm a new channel. I'm trying to grow it, and I'm really liking this whole thing. You know, the filming, the vlogging, all of that. I'm really liking it. I've been paying attention to the numbers, the ones that everyone likes, and the ones that probably not so much, which prompted me to make a change, just a little bit of a tweak. That way, I'm pleased with my channel. My viewers are pleased with what they're seeing with my content. I've noticed that my cake vlogs are getting the highest of views. And that's great, because that's what I do. I bake and decorate cakes. That's what my cake studio is about. I've decided to cut my upload days down to 2 days a week, which will be Wednesday and Friday. I'm still going to call my Wednesdays Watch Me Work Wednesday, because I just like that. It's cute. I think it's cute. And Friday is going to be Lifestyle Friday. So Wednesday is cake, Friday is life. When I was sitting back and I was thinking about it, prayed about it, I got excited at just uploading on Wednesdays and Fridays and doing those, you know, those 2 themed days. With that being said, what you're about to see now is my order for 3 personal sized cheesecakes. They wanted cinnamon roll, cherry, and caramel apple. The cherry topping is from a can. Cherries are not in season right now, so canned cherry topping it is. I've not made a fresh cherry topping since culinary school, because nobody really, oh shoot, turn the air back on. Nobody really asked for cherry topping, and my customer, she actually prefers that I make a strawberry topping and put it on her cheesecakes. However, for some reason, I don't know what's going on, but all of the grocery stores they have strawberries in them, but I've been seeing on the news where there's kind of like a recall on strawberries, so I'm trying to like distance myself until I know what's what. So I did a caramel apple topping instead. Hope I didn't talk too much. I will put the recipe for all 3 cheesecakes in the description box. Okay? Okay. Y'all go ahead and enjoy. I'll be back later.
I've been thinking, you don't really know a thing about you and I. I see you hurting, but just to conceal it with a smile. So all you lucky ones Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you,
It's 4:15. I'm tired. I'll talk to y'all in about 5-6 hours. He's about to go into the refrigerator. Oh gosh.
I just want your time, oh time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine as long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. Doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh time. I need your time. 7, I'll be fine as long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, spend a little time. your time.